68 for server. DNS port number 53. Hello. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Yeah. Now how to check the port number? We start my computers, click drive, Windows, system 32, ECT, yes. See here. Computers, are you able to see it? Screen?
Yes, sir. We are able to see your screen, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Computer, C drive, Windows, System 32, drivers, and ECT. Here, protocols, right click, service, right click, and open. Is asking open, so open with notepad or any word. Now you can see the port number, service and port number, service name and port number. Protocol. See here, because we are going to communication with the name, right? Now, in one system, multiple services running. So, how the client communicate to particular service or particular person? For example, this is service is not a service. Is for example, person is available. Okay, in Singa, server is nothing but domain control is nothing but our house. In the house, Usman is there, Riyaz is there, Amjad is there, right? Tahir is there, okay, Ubaidur Rahman is there, multiple people is there, right? So I want a communication, each one, so I should know the name, right? So that time I can call the particular person name and he will come and then I can talk, right? What about in single domain control, multiple services there, right? So Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, okay. So multiple services running. So the client need to communication to that particular service and client want to access the service. So how can identify? So they can identify with the port number. Okay, so every service they allow the one number, so that's the port number because already you know computer can't understand the DHCP name, DNS name, this name for us. Okay, so the service the client is communicate to. Okay, hello, port number 53, are you available? Yes, yes, sir. Hello, port number 68, you are available? Yes, I am available. So like that communication is possible. Understand? Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
so
Yes,
you
sir.
want you can see the all services. See here, domain. Here, see domain name server. What is the port number?
53, sir.
53.
53.
53
And
TCP, sir.
based on is working on which protocol?
TCP.
Yes,
Transmission control protocol.
yes, transmission control protocol. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you can see the DHCP here. 67, 68. Okay, HTTP port number is 80, World Wide Web. Already you know people. Kerberos, you know the Kerberos, right?
Yes, sir.
Already we discussed in Active Directory Kerberos. So port number is 88. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So here you can find the all port numbers. Okay, so port number and work on which protocol. Okay, so that and see here FTP download upload here data. So that is the FTP port number 21, 2021. Date and time 23, port number 30. Sorry. Okay, so everything and here protocols. So protocols. So IP port number is 0. ICM protocol, Internet Control Message Protocol is 1. So TCP port number 6. UDP port number 17. How you can identify? Computer C partition, Windows System 32 drivers EC, ETC. So here right click, open and open. Select which form you want to open, you can open. Clear? So that is the port number of the DNS 53. Clear? So now DNS. So already we discussed. So DNS need to maintain the database, right? So database, there are two types of the database already we discussed, right? One is forward lookup zone. Zone nothing but database. So here zone. Yes. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes. Forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. Zone is nothing but database. Already we discussed. So forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. So this database is nothing but its records, right? Store that information. Okay. So forward lookup zone, which purpose is maintain this database is maintain name to IP address. For example, Usman and his phone number, Amjad his phone number, Tahir his phone number, right? Riyaz and phone number, right? So like I maintain this name and number. So where I can save in forward lookup zone. Same like that, Facebook.com and IP address, right? And Dell.com and IP address, IBM.com and IP address, right? Microsoft.com and IP address. So is maintained. Who will maintain forward lookup zone? So all you can find here forward lookup zone. Reverse lookup zone because of reverse. IP address to name. IP address to name, it will maintain this database. So here so name IP address to name. So these are the two zones: forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. So this every zone have three subzones. Inside this forward lookup zone or reverse lookup zone, we can create four types of zones, means subzones. Zone types. So that is primary zone, secondary zone, stub zone, or active directory integrated zone. कितना रहेंगे? दो zone रहेंगे. Okay. There are two types of zones: forward lookup zone, reverse lookup. Forward lookup zone, what it maintains is maintain name to IP address, and reverse lookup zone IP address to name, name to IP address to name. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear up to
Yes.
this point.
Now, every zone has, if you want to create manually or by default, it has four types of zone. You want to create, so in that you can say subzone of this forward lookup zone. Four types of zone: primary zone, secondary zone, and stub zone, or active directory integrated zone. See here, before that, okay, primary zone, when you create, when you configure the DNS, or you can configure the domain controller, automatically primary zone will create it. Or you want to create, you can create. Got the point? I will show you. Secondary zone is a backup of primary zone, because anything is happened with the primary zone, so that time I need the backup to recover that one. So that is the reason I make, or I can configure secondary zone is backup zone. So backup zone nothing but secondary zone. Okay. So what is the secondary zone? Is a backup of primary zone. Okay. Step zone have two records. Okay. So what is the record? Every zone have this primary zone, secondary zone. Primary zone have records. So that record is nothing but four types of records. एक क्या रहेगा, एक सिंपल सी अगर बोले, एक रजिस्टर रहेगा. रजिस्टर के अंदर एवरी क्लास उसका एक एक पेज रहेगा. दैट इज द जोन. फर्स्ट फॉरवर्ड लुकअप जोन एक रजिस्टर है. उसके अंदर क्या रहेगा, हम वी आर क्रिएटिंग द सेपरेट partitions, right? This is the first session, this is the second session, with first primary class, secondary class, like that. Okay. So in that we are mentioning the name and numbers, like that. So that is the records. Clear? See here. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
So here DNS, I'm opening DNS. This is the my DNS server. See here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See here. Forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. When forward lookup zone you expand here Dell.com, because my server is at Dell.com. So forward lookup zone is maintain the name to IP address. Name to IP address. See here. What is my name? My server name.
SVR_1, SVR1.
Yes. Dell.com.
Dell.com.
Dell.com or SVR, because here SVR.com you can see SVR.com Dell.com name. Okay, and host. Okay. See here, this is the Dell.com and this is the name. Okay, this now understand forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. These two. Forward lookup zone already, because I install. I remember when we install the Active Directory, during the installation of the Active Directory, if Active Directory doesn't find the DNS, so Active Directory automatically installed. Clear? Remember that time you give them a message. You don't have the zone, DNS zone. So what we said, right? Yes, you can install yourself. We are in the Active Directory. Remember? This part I already told you during the installation of the Active Directory. Remember, guys?
Yes, sir. During the installation, we got one step, one warning as this DNS. At that time, you made something like some options.
Yes, click on. Yes, click on next, because
Yes,
it's
sir.
if you
Yes, sir.
click on yes,
So
I will
that
install
time,
according to my
yes,
requirement. I will install.
yes.
So
That time we have enabled this here. Yes, sir.
yeah. So that is the reason is automatically is created this zone, forward lookup zone, and this one. This is the record. See here, what we discussed here: forward lookup zone, reverse lookup zone. So where is the forward lookup zone? Forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. In that, I told you records, zone types, right? Primary, secondary zone, right? Step zone. See here. So this is the primary zone. I already told you. This is the forward primary means zone. In that, four type of the subzone. So in that, this is the primary zone we created. So right, how I know this is the primary zone or not? Right click on properties. If you see here, zone type or zone name, or you can say
Sir,
yes.
in this forward and reverse lookup zone, why we required this? Why we required this one, and why we need to configure this one?
Already we discussed all these things, because zone is a database, because you want you want to access the Facebook, so
Okay.
system cannot understand the name, right?
Yeah.
So that is the reason we are assigned the IP address to server or Facebook to assign the IP address. So that name, you are typing the name facebook.com, right? But system cannot understand. So system is convert name to IP address. So who will understand the DNS service? So in the DNS service is convert your name to IP address, right? But how many IP address is required to save a name? So that is the reason DNS is maintain the record zones database of the servers, all database. How many names you remember your friends, right? Many things, right? How many university, how many college, how many websites, so everything. Where you are going to store? You are stored in your brain, right? Memory. But all right.
Yes,
Or
yes,
even in
yes.
management companies, so people the database register is there, right? So previous register is we are written the every register. This is the class first, class second, class. This is the management register. This is the operation manager management. This is the service. Okay, whatever. So different register we are maintained. So that is nothing but database. The database here we call zone. So there are two types of zone. Forward lookup zone. Yeah. So what is the zone? Zone is nothing but database of the records. Clear?
Sir, whatever the things are been discussed, it is discussed in today's class, right? Starting of the class.
No. Previous class we discussed already.
That's what. Unfortunately, I
Already
missed that, but
I revision that one also. Today I
yeah,
revision
and
and
today,
continue the class.
yeah, today I missed that in a starting point around 10 to 15 minutes due to some technical problem. So when I saw that you are showing some port numbers and all.
Hmm.
So from there,
Yes, that is the beginning. That is the beginning. First thing. After that I
okay,
start the DNS. Okay.
okay.
Uh,
So that
you are
port
not missing.
numbers,
You are not missing anything.
so
Nothing.
that port numbers are standard for every system, or it differ in every zone.
Not system. This is assigned to the services and standard across the globe.
Oh, that is a standard service, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So here zones. See here. Forward lookup zone and reverse lookup. So this is the primary zone. So suppose if I want to create, so right click new zone. When I click, so here two options. See here, everyone. Primary zone, secondary zone, stub zone, Active Directory integrated zone. So if I select primary, so it will create the primary. If I select the secondary, so he is asking who is my primary. Step zone is maintain only two records, NS record and host record. Okay, got it. So first, if I select primary, so here is asking name primary zone, Usman. Next, click. So here this is the file name. Click on next. So here allow the both secure and non-secure dynamic update because whatever update is happen across the globe, anything. So secure or non-secure. Secure means internal your company, any changes, new domain is coming, new domains you are removing. So that also update or new branch office is open through the world. Okay, so any client is joining, any server you are configured, so that update also you require in your organization in this server. So that time you can select secure and not secure. Secure, which is the secure, which is the non-secure. Okay, secure through the internet and local. So both update I want. So that is the reason I select this allow both. So click on next. So this is the standard primary zone, standard primary zone. So this is the primary zone. Right click, click on properties. Here it will show the primary zone. Primary zone. This is my primary zone. And secondary zone, this is the standard. Secondary is the backup of the primary zone.
Backup of primary.
Backup of it. Understand? Clear
Yes,
concept?
yes.
And yes. Stop zone or load balancing purpose. See here, total each zone per primary zone is maintained 4 records. So primary zone maintain 4 records. 4 records. One record is host record. Second is NS record. Okay, and ROS record. Start of authority ROS. Or start of authority SOR. Start of authority SOR authority. And fourth one alias record. So these are the 4 records. So what is the host, NS record, SO records? See here. If I select del.com, this is my primary zone. I told you every primary zone maintains 4 records. See here, SO record, start of a third record, NS record, host record, and alias record. So here not available, so okay, because this is the Active Directory integrated zone, so that is it. Understand? Clear? पहले क्या है, फॉरवर्ड लुकअप जोन है, इसके अंदर एक प्राइमरी जोन रहता है और प्राइमरी जोन के अंदर 4 रिकॉर्ड्स रहते हैं. सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. What the point, guys?
Sir, about the 4th one, just now you were saying something, no, sir? Like this host, alias. So about that you were saying something just now, like I will
tell you. Oh, you understand this concept, these things?
Yes, sir. I understood up to this point.
Everyone. Hello, guys.
Sir, first one is forward lookup zones and the primary zone, and then which 4 records हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
So, for example, this is the DNS server, right? In that, we are create one forward lookup zone. In that, one primary zone. In that, we have 4 records. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, this is our server name. This record, primary record. So what is the here? We are mentioned del.com, right? This one, and this is primary zone. This is the primary zone we are created, right? This one, forward lookup zone primary. In that 4 records we created. See here, so these 4 records, what is the 4 records? Already I told you, NS record, host record, and SO record, alias record. So what is the function of these 4 records? Here, SO record is a server name. The start of authority means whatever DNS service is now, so is help to start the services. जो DNS सर्विस है, so इसको स्टार्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. Okay? In this server, NS record name server, so is maintain the name server. See here, svr.del, fully qualified domain name. Already told you. See here, कैसा है यहाँ पे first dot है. Remember last class we discussed. How is the name? First, see here, dot, starting with the dot, right? This is dot. After that, .com. After that, del. And then SVR. Here. Guys, remember, this is nothing but, this is nothing but your root, local domain, right? This dot nothing but root domain.
Yes, sir.
And this is which domain? .com, top level domain.
Top level domain, yes, sir.
Yes.
We have seen that chart, sir, in which you have shown .com, .org, .edu, various in that.
Yes.
Chart. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, same like that is mentioned. See it. Clear? But when you type any in the net, for example, Microsoft.com, but you do not see the after.com dot. Did you find? You doesn't find after.com dot here. There is no any dot, right? Clear? Hello guys.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear up to this point.
Because the query is not go like that. The query go this like this. In first local domain, DNS, and then top level domain, and then already remember in previous class we discussed, we have seen. Here, the query goes to the first dot, after that top level domain, after that sub level domain. Remember Microsoft.com, Dell.com, whatever you have. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
So that the first record is any zone file, right? So what is the help record is start the service DNS. NS record identify the DNS server for each zone. Means we can mention the link server name. See here server name is maintain the server name. So whatever server name. And host record is resolve the host name and IP address. Host means everything. Means your domain controller, backup domain controller. Or see here, we have the server, we have the client. Client PC, you know, the client PC name and IP address. Remember IP address DHCP, with the help of DHCP is take, right? Reservation IP address 62. Amjad, Riaz, and Shoaibur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Shoaibur Rahman is not available. Faraz Khan, Sheikh Hussain, Abdul Wasi.
Yes, sir.
You remember our client name? Client name PC, okay. Remember IP address, this one. So host record is maintained. Host record is nothing but client name and IP address. Here is maintain the name. This is the name and this is the IP address. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Usman, but here I have a question for you. I hope you can give the answer or
yes, sir.
No problem. So this is the single A and here is 4A. What is the difference between this single A and 4A?
Okay.
Because answer in
Yeah.
front of you, so that is the reason I'm asking.
Yes, it is backup.
No.
No, means with single A, it's actually a host, and with this multiple A's, it's a backup of
No.
No.
No. Anyone? You try, Usman.
There is a 4 zone. One is host zone is included. The secondary and third one is sub, like this.
No.
So no.
No. Any other? Again, Usman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. See here. Simple answer. See here. Because I told you the answer is front of your eyes, in front of you, right? See here. this is single A means IP version 4 and 4A means IP version 6. Hello guys.
Yes, sir. With all
Yeah.
IP version 6, we are getting this multiple
Yes.
4As.
Yes. So if you assign the IP address IP version 6, so that time it will take 4As. If you are assigned the IP version 4, so that time it will take the single A. That is a numbering system. Okay. Further point. Clear? Now you understand till here? Right? Each and everything I explained, right? Forward lookup zone, what is the primary zone, okay, and what is the records, and each record what have the information. Clear? For example, I have another Usman PC. So tell me how it will be create the zone. How is the name of host record? Here you can find the name Usman, and here you can find the IP address. Same like that.
Yes, sir. PC alpha.
Yes, PC alpha instead of yes, here Usman and host A
yes,
and IP address.
and
If you are
IP
in the IP version 4, right?
Yes.
Understand? And
yes,
starting means one is created, that is the timing and date, right?
time of creation. Yeah.
Yes, when you create. So, and second thing, when it will come, when you join. Here, I'm telling about this our local my Active Directory domain because the company personal DNS, right? When you grab this host, so when you add when you join the clients to the domain controller. तो topic हुआ था ना how to join the client in the domain controller or domain. Remember? ESA.NST. And here you can find a client, all clients computers. Here, see here, this is my client. So if you have 100 PC, so here it will show the 100 PCs in the domain controller. 100 name and IP address. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So that is the host. Now last one, alias. See, alias record is alias record. Here nothing but www. www. World Wide Web. So what we are telling here, see here guys. Here I want to search some server. What server? ms.com or facebook.com. See here, where I can find. I find in my company network, or I can find, I want to search. For example, I want to search the facebook.com. So from where I need to search? I need to search in my company network or across the globe. Give the answer.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the question again, sir?
I want to search facebook.com. So where I can search facebook.com in my company network or across the globe network?
Personal network.
Personal means company network.
Yeah, company network. So first is it will search in our personal network. If it finds the domain or an IP, it will directly direct us to the main server.
That is the procedure. That is the procedure. But how I can give the instruction? First instruction. After giving the instruction, it will search. Understand, Usman?
Yes.
After giving the command, it will search. What are you saying? That is the second level. I am asking the first level. What I give the order to search? See here, I am ready now.
www.facebook.com https.
Yes.
www.
Yes. What is mean by www? World Wide Search, World Wide Web. means across the globe, how many web is available across the web you have to search. Understand? So is that my company, local, anywhere, any website, right? Got the point? You search all websites. But if you are asking, I'm telling you, smart search across the globe all websites. So that time, second question you are asking, okay, sir, I will search, but which website you want, right?
Yeah, we have to give the name. We have to give the name to it.
Yes.
And give domain.
Got the point?
Yes,
so
sir.
that time I'm typing facebook.com. Clear?
Yes, sir.
When I enter, so what you are telling, that procedure will start, right?
We are
so
telling
when
this.
I type enter, so that time it starts from the local PC dot, right?
Yes.
Local PC dot and then rootdomain.com. Understand? So that is the fact. So that is the reason, because I need to search World Wide Web through the internet. So that is the reason I need to have means DNS have the alias record. Clear? So how I can create alias record? New alias common name. See here. www. See here. Are you watching? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are able to
see here. What is written?
It is
Can you read? Can you read?
Fully qualified domain name.
Yes, sir. What I selected. Can you read this one?
This is .com .usman. Like I'm reading from right to left, sir.
Yes.
Yes. .com .usman.
Yes. If you write from your side, means your language. So usman.com dot, right?
Com dot. Yes, sir.
If DNS language, so dot.
It goes from right to left.
Yes, Usman. Right. Understand? See here. This is the local, right? Usman.com. But I want to search this Usman.com worldwide, right? So that is the reason. See here, what is the changes? I am typing here alias record as per the domain in www. I written here, so that can see here what happened here. Automatically is come.
Automatically www is added to the fully qualified
domain.
Yes.
So this is the fully qualified domain name. Already remember that time I told you fully qualified domain name certificate. Because through the internet you want to search and you want to connect to any server, so must you type the www, right?
Yes,
if you not type, automatically it will take nowadays.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
so
yes, sir. If we give domain name and .com also, it will automatically get inserted www.
Yes, background is www is working, right?
Yes, sir. In the URL, if we type the domain name with .com also, like by default w will be added. No?
Always. Yes. Okay, got it. Now is asking. Okay, this is the www. So you want to, this is the name, but I want to maintain this file. I want to attach, right? This is the only name we are given, right? But there is no data. Where is the website, right? So that is the reason here I need to give the fully qualified domain name, is target host name. So here SVR1 forward lookup zone Usman. Here if there is there, so I can. Otherwise, I need to give same like that here. SVR. This is my host name, right? Understand? Now see here, what happened? So this is Ilya's name, this is fully qualified domain name, and this is my physical server. Remember, physical server name.
Yes, sir. We are giving the target host.
Yeah.
So that our target host is our physical server.
Yeah, that is going to hit, and his reply.
Yes.
Who will reply?
This SVR Dell will reply to us. SVR.dell.com will reply to us.
This is the procedure to communicate this all. Understand? So this is the name you are given, and behind is the IP address, because this is server name. Here, what is the server name? See here, SVR IP address is 130.0.0.100, right? In this record, name is there and IP address is there, right? So you are giving the name, but system understand the bit IP address. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What the point? Ilyas record? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay. So that is the 4 records here. So here primary zone, step zone, and step zone have only 2 records. Only 2 records. You can say load balancing purpose also, because so many queries or so many hits is coming to the DNS, and DNS is busy. So that time means maybe your chances is there your network is going to be slow. Got the point? Same like that. I don't know nowadays is happen or not. Or you can see the shopping mall also, in theaters also. So you can find the multiple counters, right? Ticket counter, cash counter, multiple counters. Why they configure the multiple cash counter, ticket counter?
In order to make the work fast,
Load balance.
to increase the workflow.
Yes. Load balance. But because one guy is giving, so maybe he's going to type very fast, or maybe last person doesn't can see the movie, right? Till that time he's come, that he get the ticket, the movie is over, right? Until that time the guy is want to pay the cash is very long queue. Till that time shopping mall is going to be closed or lunchtime is come, right? So if your workload is divided, so that time work will going to be fast and you get the result, right? Understand? So here also your DNS one server is very hits coming, so he's full, right? He's giving the answer and he's very busy. So that time what we are going to do, we are configure the one step zone, and here only 2. So that time we are mentioned this step zone alternate DNS. So that query goes to the means that when his primary server is busy, so that time he's reply. For the point. NS record, SO record. So his standard and server name, right? It contain only NS record. NS record means name server. Understand? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
An Active Directory integrated zone. For that purpose, so you can see here. Here I have 2 servers, 1 and 2 servers, and here I install ADS, Active Directory, and DNS. The one scenario I install DNS only. Clear? If I create here zone, primary zone, so that zone is called Active Directory integrated zone. If I create it here, so that is not Active Directory integrated zone. Clear, guys? Simple. You can say Active Directory integrated DNS, you can say. Okay. And here you can say normal DNS. Clear? Hello, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Active Directory integrated zone have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records, and DNS have only 1, 2, 3, 4 records. And already we discussed these 4 records. An Active Directory integrated zone have 6 records. What that are records? See here. Now tell me in this scenario, this is alkal.com. So which is the DNS? This is the DNS. Which DNS? Active Directory integrated DNS or normal DNS? Tell me.
This is Active Directory integrated
Good.
DNS.
Yes, correct. Exactly correct. Very good. So it has the 6 record, right? Forward record done. So this is my primary zone. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 records. Microsoft domain controller server, side, TCP, UDP, domain DNS zone, forest DNS zone. These are the 6 records. And normal DNS have only 4 records: SO record, host record, okay, NS record, and AEX record. Clear? And here you can't create Active Directory integrated zone because it doesn't support Active Directory. Here you can create. See, now I want to create a zone. See, right click, new zone, next. So here option is available. See here, store the zone in Active Directory, available only if DNS server is readable domain controller. See here, क्या बोल रहा है यहाँ पे? Writable domain controller. If you have writable DNS, right? So you can. If I configure backup DNS, for example, backup DNS. Hello guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I configure backup domain, so that backup DNS is writable or only readable domain?
No, it's only readable, sir. Readable.
Readable. So that is the reason I don't have this option. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Because it doesn't have the Active Directory, right?
Yes, sir.
If you select here, so this information, this primary zone information is going to be stored in Active Directory. If I enter, so this is going to be stored in C partition, my server hard disk, server storage. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is became a part of the Active Directory database. If I check, but in backup DNS, you doesn't find this option. This disappear. This option. Why? Because here, already that is the reason I told you this one. You can't create integrated zone. And this clear?
Yes, sir.
In the real time, normally we can find this DNS. Very rarely we can find according to the policy. But here, maximum, because before installing the Active Directory, already they configured the DNS. Because install the Active Directory, that's recommended first requirement to request the DNS service. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the Active Directory integrated zone. And one SRP record is allowed to which purpose? To replication, means client to domain, domain to client replication. Replication means update and searching, because you want to add that domain. So this SV record is available, so that time you can able to join the client. Otherwise, is not available, is not created, so you can't join the client in DNS, means domain controller. In domain is not become a domain part your client system. Okay, that's is enough to understand this one. Clear? Guys?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear? This much you have the knowledge, that's enough for desktop administration or 1 year experience, that's it. And if you have experience, so that time you require how to create the records. Okay. So here is reverse lookup zone, right click, new zone, next. So we have primary zone. So reverse. I already told you. Remember, Usman. If I select this one, IP version 4, so you can find a single A.
Yeah,
If I
single A,
select
sir.
this one,
It
so
will
4A.
four A's. It will get 6A, 4 A's. Yes, sir.
4A.
Yes, sir. 4A.
Click on next, and here network ID because IP address. Remember when I create the primary zone, so that time's here. Forward lookup zone, so that time I need to give the name, right? Here name.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you are it's asking for an IP address.
IP address. Remember that is a name to
Yes,
IP address and reverse IP address to
IP
name.
address to name.
Okay. Got the point? So this lab we can do, but not in Saturday we can do. Okay. Saturday. Okay. So maybe tomorrow I will complete this MCSE course. Okay. Then we will start the network because 2 days we get off. So that is the reason 2 days. Otherwise, I need to start the new course, network course. Okay. So that is the reason 2 days we go to back. So inshallah we will complete on time. So doesn't matter. So DNS is lab. Whatever labs is out because I'm going to complete the theory. So today and tomorrow I will take the all theory classes because 3 topics is left. So 3 topics are theory. And Saturday we can do the lab. Okay, clear?
Inshallah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
DNS, whatever I'm going to take tomorrow. Okay, whatever theory classes. Okay. So next means Tuesday, Wednesday we will start another topic. New topic means not topic. New course CCNA. Okay, network development. Inshallah we'll start. So this is the DNS. You can read any queries there. So ask to me, okay, or else you can write down and note it. And Saturday you can ask, inshallah, okay. Because already, alhamdulillah, you are finished. So we don't have any other classes on Saturday. So we have our classes server. So, now next. If whatever thing is left, so that time during the lab, that is I will explain. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have 10 minutes more. Okay. So we are discussing about the file system. File system. Do you have any idea about the file system? Here, everything we discuss only group policy and this trust relationship. Only 3 topics is there. And file system is a theory class. Clear, guys? Only lab,
yes, sir.
Group policy and trust relationship or DNS. 3 lab. Theory class. Lab and theory topics. For the points, so it doesn't matter. You can complete inshallah. Tomorrow theory I will finish.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So file system. What is the file system? Do you have any idea?
Like system files.
Format, sir. Different.
Yeah.
Formats, sir.
Hello. Usman, I'm not clear. Hear you. Hello. Maybe some problem with Usman. Yes, sir, yes. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. System files means which are like which are supporting files to system C drive.
Yes. Simple say is maintained or arranged hierarchically to your data, whatever you are saving in the hard disk or in the whatever. So Fistel in pen drive, everything has a file system. So means arranging system, arranging rule data arranging rule. So that purpose we require the file system. Okay. So in the file system, early FAT F80 file allocated table Okay, FAT, FAT16, FAT32, NTFS. Nowadays, reasoning file system is coming. Okay, new file system. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, FAT, FAT16 and NTFS. But NTFS is a everybody is using. So, how can identify the file system? Here, right click my partition, click on properties, so it will show file system. What is the file system? See here,
NTFS.
NTFS file system, right? So another partition, NTFS. So this NTFS, new technology file system. So before that is before NTFS is the FAT 16. This is NTFS 32. What is the difference? See here, the difference is main thing is this quota security is the main difference. If your hard disk belong to file system 16 FAT 16, so you doesn't find this option quota or security option. Understand? Clear?
Sir, can you repeat once again?
Here, this is NTFS 32, NTFS file system. NTFS file system. If you have this NTFS file system, you got two tabs here. If you right click properly, one is quota, second is security. Got it? Already you know what is the quota, what is the security, right? Security, we are giving the permission, full control, whatever, modify anything, right? But if you have FAT16 file system, if you are using FAT16, so that time you doesn't find these two options, this quota or security. With security purpose, this is the good file system, this is well file system. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
For the one, so that is the file NTFS file system. FAT32 also. And FAT16 and FAT32. And second thing, the important thing, because it support a partition. How many GB partition? This is 70 GB, this is 48 GB, this is 29 GB, this is 306 GB. But FAT32 it support only 2 GB, maximum 2 GB. If in your hard disk you want to make a partition, hard disk partition more than 2 GB, 10 GB, 15 GB, so that time FAT32 doesn't support more than 2 GB. But FAT32 is support. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, guys. Some guys left. There's 12 or 13 guys.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yes, sir. I have one doubt here.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, just now you said that in FAT32 we have a maximum of 2 GB partition if you want to make. Then we go with this FAT32 file system, right, sir?
FAT16, 2 GB. FAT16.
FAT16 we go with. But usually in real time applications, our like memory requirement will be more, no, sir? Like
Yes, so that is
like at least if you are making the partitions.
Yes, yeah. So that is the reason is come NTFS.
Okay. So
FAT
where we use this FAT 60 and FAT 32, sir, like
security
where it was
purpose.
used? Okay.
Security purpose. Because I already show you, if I select my computer, right click any partition, so if I click this one, so you can find the two options, quota or sharing. Okay, this is my Windows 7. Security option, quota option. This is Windows 7, not server. So that time also you get that two options. But in fact, that in fact 16 you doesn't find this security. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
So that's the reason we are using. Yeah. Anything else we are discuss? Okay, more things. Sorry. So tomorrow our topic trust relationship, inshallah. Theory part and RIS I will little bit I will discuss. Okay. So tomorrow we'll finish to how many topics possible.
Okay, inshallah, sir.
Okay, sir.
So we will come on time. Okay, so we will start exactly time.
Yes,
so
sir.
we will come on time.
Yes, sir. Inshallah, we'll be on time, sir. Exactly at 2. We'll be there, sir.
Till that time, take care. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Sir.
salam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.